Good morning, students. Last class we completed our sixth chapters completely, finishing with grammars and all, and the poem The River, right? Today we are going to start our new chapter, which is seventh chapter, Stories by Famous Writers. Stories which are written by famous writers. You can see here so many books. Which type of book is this? Craft book or drawing book? These are story books of animals, and this is geography book, and it is science book and English book, and nowadays we are learning through mobile phones, right? So through mobile phones and the games in game video games, and this is our computer. Even by computer we are studying, right? Nowadays this only they are saying. Okay, next we comes today's chapter. We are learning about the author Dick King-Smith. Who is this Dick King-Smith? Shall we start to know about him? Okay. Do you know the names of any authors? Which authors write books you like to read? Can you explain what you like? These are three questions. Do you know any author's name, children's? Which you like to read that author's book? Can you explain what you like? Which books you like, and in that book what you like? These three questions they have asked us. Okay. Next is read about the author Dick King-Smith. Now we can know about him. Name Dick King-Smith. History. What is his history? History means what, children's? Which are done at past. Now we are learning in present, right? We can know about him. King Dick King-Smith is a very famous English writer. King-Smith is a very famous English writer. Okay, childrens. When he was born on 27th March 1922, and he died on 4th January 2011. He was born at 27 March 1922 and he expired at 4th January 2011. Okay, almost all of his books are about animals. Means King Dick Smith always he used to write books about animals. Why? Because he was once a farmer. Because King Smith was a farmer before he was a famous English writer. He loved working with animals. He loved animals so much and he was working with animals. Okay, he had pet dogs. King Smith had pet dogs. Their names were Susai and Dudu. Two dogs' names were Susai and Dudu. And he had also pet rats and mice, as well as bird geese and geese and rabbits. You know rats and mice. He was used to pet and keep in his house and feed rats and mice also. Rats be in the color of black and mice in color of white. Okay, childrens, as well as budgies and geese. What is this budgies? I have never heard. Like this, you will be thinking, childrens, right? Budgies is a parrot. Do you know parrot? Yeah, of course you will be knowing, right? Same has a parrot, but it is colorful parrot. Even you will be knowing colorful parrot, right? Geese. What is this geese? Then you will be thinking it is same as a duck, but it has two long neck. Okay, and rabbits. You know rabbits, right? White color rabbits. These all he used to keep in his houses. Okay, he used to pet those animals and work with it. King Dick, Dick King Smith wrote over 100 books for children of all ages. Means what they are saying, King Smith have wrote 100 books for childrens of all ages. For everyone, he has written 100 books, especially for childrens. He published his first book in 1978. King Smith born at 1922, but his first book published in 1978 and his last one in 2007, and last one when he wrote it was at 2007. That's nearly 30 years of writing. From 1978 to 2007, it's been 30 years. King Smith have written English lessons, so many English writing, so many books. Okay, Dick King Smith wrote all of his books using Dick King Smith wrote all of his books using pencil and pens because he never learned how to use a computer. Why Dick King Smith was writing all his books in pen and pencil? Why? Because he never learned to use computer. Because of that only he was writing all his 100 books with pen and pencil. Children, you know, right? To write a one book, how many pages it will be. But how great Dick King Smith is. He had written all his 100 books in pen and pencil. See how beautiful. He wrote about animals and he used to work with the animals, right? How great author we saw today in this chapter. Can you see? Smooth down we can see snail, hen, and this is mongoose and frog. Dick King Smith wrote a book called The Hodgay Heg. Look at this picture. Which of these animals do you think it will be about? See, again, today we saw about Dick King Smith. The book written by King Dick Smith, King Smith Hodgay Heg, that we will see in next class. Okay, childrens, for today it is this much only. Thank you.